Welcome back, and now coming to the programming assignment. The problem 1. Here we know that we are having one problem statement and we'll be having some inputs and outputs, and we'll be having some constraints too. We need to pass those constraints. It means these are nothing but test cases. We need to pass those test cases and we need to give the input and so as to produce the output. So this is the first programming assignment. Here Shivam is the youngest programmer in the world. He is just 12 years old. Shivam is learning programming and today he is writing his first program. Here this task is very simple. We need to add two integers and we need to produce the output. Here the input first line contains the integer t, the total number of test cases. So how many test cases we are having, that is represented by using t, and t can be from 1 to 1000, and a and b are nothing but the integers, and that can be in between 0 to 10,000. So here see, first of all, input is that we are having 3, we are going to run 3 test cases. It means first 1 and 2. It gives the output as 3. 100 and 200, we need to get the output as 300. 10 and 40, we need to get the output as 50. For this, we can write program in any programming language like C, C++, Python and Java. Here I have written a program in C++. Here, see here, this is a C++ program. We are having just a test case t, and I is the number of I is used for the iterations, and sum a and b are the two integers. So see here, we'll give the sum is equal to a plus b. This is a simple program. We can run this and we can write this program in C++, and you need to compile and run the program. Then if you do this, here it will be showing that it has passed. So it is having one test case that is passed. Here the test case is 3, 1, 2, and the expected output is 3. It means 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, and 100 plus 200 is equal to 300, 10 plus 40 is equal to 50. This is the expected output, and actual output is also the same. So it has passed the test case. So whatever we have written is, it need to pass whatever the test case is provided, whether it is one test case or three test cases. It need to pass all the test cases and it need to execute the output. Okay, so this is regarding the first program. So you can have this program in the comment section also. No issues. You no need to see and type the program. You can just copy the program from the comment section. Okay, and run the program. Thank you.